Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to easily create a digital planner inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight to it. Alright, open up Canva and make sure you're on the home page of Canva. Get out of my old project here. Alright, now I'm on the home page of Canva, and then where it says search your content or Canvas, type in daily planner and then hit enter. And then you can browse their high quality daily planner templates for your next design. So if you have a look, there's a whole heap of these daily planners you can use. And as you can see, if I scroll down, there might be pro versions in this. So if you're not a premium subscription holder of Canva, you won't be able to use these pro versions. So to filter out these, click on where it says pro and make sure it's free. So now all these you can use for free. So have a look and see which daily planner you'd like to use. So if I like this one, morning checklist, I'll go ahead and click into that. And then what you want to do is customize this template. And everything inside here is customizable. So if you want to change the morning checklist to say afternoon checklist, I'll go click on the morning and type in afternoon. And if it doesn't fit the screen, you can make it smaller, like so, afternoon checklist. And then you got the date. You can change the color of the background here. So if I want to change that to say red, you can change it to red or blue, but keep to the theme. And then likewise, all these different options here, drink water. You can do drink more water, etc. Got the dates, you can change everything in the dates here. And once you've customized your template here, you can click on the right hand side. You got these quality letterheads delivered to your doorstep, but we don't want to be doing that, so just click out of that. And now what you want to do is click on share, click on download. So you want to download this file. And then once that is downloaded, I'll go ahead and go to my download section. So I'm going to save that to downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this file. Here it is here. It's a PDF version. So now to print this, just simply click on print. And then select your printer. Select how many copies you want to print out and all that stuff. And then click on print. So yeah, that's it guys. How to easily create a digital planner using Canva. Thanks for watching this to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.